In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide columns in Excel using the free Microsoft 365 online suite. Whether you're working on a complex data analysis project or simply need to review all the available data in your spreadsheet, hiding and unhiding columns is a fundamental skill in Excel. Let's dive into how you can easily manage the visibility of your columns in a few simple steps. First things first, we need to access our Excel files. Microsoft offers a free online version of its Office suite, which includes Excel. To get started, head over to the free Microsoft 365 online page. This suite gives you access to familiar tools, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all from your web browser, allowing you to work from anywhere without the need for software installation. Once you're on the page, the next thing you need to do is sign in to your Microsoft account. Look for the Sign In button and give it a click. If you've used Microsoft products before, you probably already have an account. If not, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process that offers access to a range of Microsoft services, not just Excel. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, type it into the designated field. Your email acts as your identity across Microsoft services, syncing your work and preferences across devices and platforms. It's pretty handy, especially if you switch between devices or travel frequently. Next, hit the Next button to proceed. You'll likely be asked to enter your password next. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Microsoft dashboard, where you can access all your Office documents, including Excel files. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's say we're using an example file. Imagine we have a spreadsheet with hidden columns that we need to reveal. Often columns are hidden to make navigating a spreadsheet easier or to temporarily remove sensitive information from view. However, there are times when you need to look at that hidden data again. In our example, we'll work with a file that has columns hidden between two visible columns, let's say column C and E. To unhide these hidden columns, you need to look for the small icon that appears between the headers of columns C and E. This indicates that there's something hidden there. Here's where it gets a bit interactive. You're going to click on the icon between column C and E. Once you do that, you'll see a menu, and one of the options will be to unhide the column. Click on Unhide, and just like magic, the hidden columns will become visible. A few additional tips to help you in the process. If you suspect there are multiple hidden columns in your spreadsheet, you can click and drag to select several columns, then right-click and choose Unhide to reveal them all at once. This is particularly useful in larger spreadsheets where manually searching for hidden columns can be time-consuming. Remember, the key to effective data management in Excel lies in understanding the tools at your disposal. Hiding and unhiding columns is a fundamental part of organizing your data. Whether you're working on financial reports, academic research, or just organizing your personal data, knowing how to quickly reveal hidden information in your spreadsheets can save you a lot of time and hassle. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to unhide columns in Excel using Microsoft 365 online. By following these steps, you can navigate your Excel spreadsheets with greater ease and efficiency. Don't forget to experiment with these steps in your own files to become more familiar with the process. Excel is a powerful tool, and mastering its functions can significantly enhance your productivity and data analysis skills. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found the instructions clear and easy to follow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Happy excelling,